The Philippines is a beautiful island nation located in the western Pacific Ocean, consisting of more than 7,000 islands, covering an area of 300,000 square kilometers. It consists of three main regions, each of which has its own unique characteristics, making it a diverse and multifaceted country. The population of the Philippines is very large, with more than 111 million people living on these islands. Its unique geographical location places it at the center of the Pacific Ring of Fire, where it often faces severe typhoons, earthquakes, and tsunamis. However, these challenges have fostered a strong and hospitable spirit among the Filipino people. Despite this, the Philippines has many dark sides. People here live in poor slums, often have to eat garbage to survive. Many people do not have homes and live in cemeteries. Crime gangs and prostitution are rampant, and women in this country are devalued and forced to constantly look for clients throughout the year to earn money. Let's learn about the 10 most bizarre facts about the Philippines. Number 10. Prisons are like hell on earth. The country's prison system is overcrowded, leading to very poor living conditions, and violence. Prevailing Philippine prisons are compared to hell on earth, where unfortunate individuals endure unimaginable suffering. Regardless of age or gender, many people, especially children, disappear mysteriously. Children are kept in mass cells in the prison system, where life is much harder than on the outside. Their eyes reflect despair and lack of faith in life. Visitors to the Manila prison in the Philippines capital can see the terrible living conditions of prisoners. Children and teenagers do not have beds and are forced to sleep in overcrowded rooms on dirty floors, where cardboard is used as pillows. There is always fear here. As there is no guarantee of safety, prisoners must protect themselves from dangerous others, as no one can be trusted. Security forces are unable to control the situation, and dangerous items such as knives, mobile phones, and drugs are still being smuggled in hygiene. And healthcare in prison is extremely poor. Prisoners are forced to sleep in crowded rooms on dirty floors, where cardboard is used as pillows. There is always fear, as safety is not guaranteed. Prisoners must protect themselves from dangerous others, as no one can be trusted. Security forces are unable to control the situation, and dangerous items such as knives, mobile phones, and drugs are still being smuggled in. Sanitation and healthcare in prison is extremely poor. Prisoners have to fetch water from wells and wash their clothes by hand. The prison is so crowded that it cannot provide enough food for all the inmates. Some prisons are built with inmates sleeping on top of each other. Inmates can sleep wherever they want, from hallways to playgrounds. What do you think of this situation? Leave your comment below. Number 9. Eating garbage for food. Eating garbage for food. Severe malnutrition and poor sanitation plague a portion of the Filipino population. They have to look for leftover food in dirty garbage heaps to survive. This scene is not uncommon in this country, where thousands of poor people have to pick through garbage to satisfy their hunger. Sadly, their source of food is not just bread crusts or potato peels. Upon closer examination, you may see pieces of crispy meat in their food. In fact, it is leftover chicken from fast food chains like McDonald's, which is thrown away. Food made from garbage is called pagpag. It is a dish made from pieces of meat and bones collected from garbage cans in the city. Then it is stewed or fried and then poured with sauce. Also, there are some people who do a very special job of collecting pagpag. Their day starts early in the morning, going to restaurants and fast food chains in the city, looking for leftovers from the previous day, and food stored in large plastic bags. After the food is collected in the restaurant, the collectors will sort the leftovers and separate the pieces of meat stuck to the bones. A person washes the meat, boils it again, and prepares it in two ways. One is wrapped in bread and fried, and the other is marinated with onions. The vegetables and spices are cooked again and served with side dish sauce instead of safe disposal. These restaurant chains prefer to dump the intact, unused bags of leftover food directly into the trash. The reason for this terrible waste is that they want to reduce operational and waste treatment costs. However, the Philippine government and these food chains are responsible for ensuring that the leftover food from customers' tables reaches communities in need and not thrown away, leaving millions of people struggling with hunger. This is a heartbreaking paradox. 1 billion tons of food is wasted every year around the world, while millions of people still suffer from hunger. What do you think about this figure, and would you dare to eat? Pugpug page, share your thoughts. Number 8. High rate of drug gang crime. Drug trafficking is rampant in the Philippines. The gang crime rate is so high that even the authorities are often powerless. Drug gangs exploit poor people, making them obscene in the illegal drug trade and making huge profits. These gangs operate actively throughout the Philippines, spreading violence, controlling communities, and destroying lives. Methamphetamine, commonly known as shabu, is the most prevalent drug in the country, which is highly addictive and leads to devastating consequences. The situation of gangs is serious as they recruit children and teenagers for illegal activities, making them both victims and criminals. Despite this, President Rodrigo Duterte has launched a massive war on drugs. This campaign has resulted in a large number of deaths, including both drug suspects and innocent people. Whether this effort will completely eradicate the gangs remains to be seen in the future. Number 7. Exporting women from Chicago to London. You will find many Filipino women working around the world. This is not surprising, as the Philippines is the largest exporter of women worldwide. 25% of the 2.2 million Filipinos living and working abroad are lifelong nurses. Many Filipino families see labor export abroad as the key to a better life, leading to the opening of more than 500 nursing schools in the Philippines today. For many Filipinos, the salary of an overseas nurse is 15 times higher than working in hospitals in the Philippines. Labor export provides significantly more opportunities to work abroad, face less competition from domestic and foreign, and labor women often work as nurses or domestic helpers, although it also has many negative aspects. Many female workers face exploitation, harsh working conditions, and low wages. In addition, female workers are vulnerable to abuse and exploitation, especially in countries where legal protection is incomplete. Some women are even deceived or forced to become victims of human trafficking. Number 6. Shopping addiction. The Philippines has 3 of the 10 largest shopping malls in the world, attracting visitors from all over the world to experience world-class shopping and enjoy a variety of entertainment services. The most famous is SM North, located in Quezon City, Manila, with an area of 498,000 square meters. SM North EDI is said to be the largest in the Philippine retail industry, even bigger than the Vatican City. This shopping center has more than 1,200 stores ranging from high-end international brands to budget-friendly labels, catering to all shopping needs. Next is SM Mega Mall, located in Mandaluyong. Here is another shopping destination with more than 1,700 stores offering a wide range of products and services, from fashion cosmetics and household goods to entertainment areas to modern cinemas. SM Mega Mall attracts visitors with its huge Sky Park garden, where they can relax and enjoy the panoramic view of the city. The SM Mall of Asia, located in Pa, is known as the Shopping City by Manila Bay. This massive entertainment complex has over 2,000 stores, vibrant entertainment areas, a water park, an ice skating rink, and an IMAX cinema. Mall of Asia is not only a shopping destination, but also a perfect place for visitors to enjoy entertainment and unique experiences. Visitors at Philippine shopping centers not only shop, but also experience the local culture. enjoy diverse cuisine, and participate in various entertainment activities. These places promise to provide visitors with exciting and memorable shopping moments. Number 5. High risk of terrorism. Although there have been recent signs of a decrease in terrorist activities in the Philippines, it remains a troubling issue with significant risks to the country. Statistics show that the Philippines has the highest rate of terrorism-related deaths in the Asia-Pacific region over the past decade. The Global Terrorism Index ranks the Philippines as affected by terrorism. The common feature of terrorist attacks in the Philippines is the use of homemade explosives, which cause damage in various areas from crowded cities to remote islands. The government of the Philippines, together with the armed forces of the Philippines, is striving to implement anti-terrorism measures and minimize the harm to civilians. Insurgent groups such as Abu Saf Marte and the Bangsamoro often carry out terrorist attacks to gain power and territory in the country. In addition, some individuals and organizations influenced by Islamic extremism carry out attacks to oppose the government and spread chaos. In addition, poverty, lack of opportunities, and social inequality force some people to terrorism. People susceptible to getting involved in terrorist activities. What do you know about the terrorist situation in the Philippines? Share your thoughts below. Number 4. An island that has more volcanoes than cities. Camiguin is a tiny island that is only 14 meters long and 8.5 meters wide, located in the north of the Philippines. It holds a unique secret. It is the only island on the planet that has more volcanoes than cities. It is the island with the highest volcano density in the world. There are 7 spectacular volcanoes per square mile. However, visitors do not have to worry about eruptions, as these volcanoes have been dormant since the 1950s. No need to be afraid. Camiguin attracts visitors with its natural beauty, magical bubbling, hot springs, fine white sandy beaches, and the smiles of the locals. Camiguin is an ideal place for nature lovers. Visitors can conquer dormant volcanoes, immerse themselves in the warm waters of hot springs, or dive to see vibrant coral reefs. This small island offers countless exciting activities, where you can do trekking, kayaking, surfing, diving, fishing, or simply relax on stunning beaches. You would want to visit this place. Number 3. Philippines is the coconut king of the world. The Philippines holds the distinction of being the largest producer and exporter of coconut in the world, earning the nickname of Coconut King with an average annual coconut production of 19.5 million tons. This achievement is due to the country's ideal tropical monsoon climate and soil conditions, which are perfect for coconut growth. Currently, the coconut plantation area in the Philippines has reached 3.4 million hectares, which is about 28% of the world's total coconut plantation area. The Philippines' coconut products are exported to more than 80 countries around the world, generating significant foreign exchange earnings for the country. Major export products include coconut oil, coconut water, desiccated coconut, coconut KOA, and more. The coconut industry plays a vital role in the Philippines' economy, providing employment to millions. Additionally, coconut holds an important place in Filipino culture and cuisine. However, the Philippine coconut industry is facing challenges such as climate change, crop pests, and market price fluctuations. To retain its status as the coconut king, the Philippines needs to continue investing in scientific research, develop new varieties, improve product quality, and diversify export markets. Number 2. Overpopulation. The Philippines has over 110 million people. The average population density is 366 people per square kilometer, which is much higher than the global average of 20 people per square kilometer. However, the population distribution is uneven, leading to congested areas, while other areas are sparsely populated. The capital city, Manila, is the most densely populated area in the Philippines, with a population density of over 46,000 people per square kilometer. This makes the city lively, but also results in issues such as traffic congestion, environmental pollution, and lack of housing. The Metro Manila area, which includes cities such as Quincy City Pig and Kukon, also has a high population density. The region is the economic, political, and cultural center of the Philippines, which attracts people from all over the country to live and work. Other major cities with high population density in the Philippines include Cebu, Davao, Bacolod, and Iloilo. These cities are important economic and commercial centers, as well as popular tourist destinations. The main reason for this overpopulation is the high birth rate in the Philippines. The average is 2.6 children per woman. This leads to rapid population growth, especially in urban areas. In addition, poverty is a widespread issue in the Philippines. This has forced many people to migrate to cities in search of better opportunities, as a result of which these densely populated cities often experience severe traffic congestion, leading to wasted time and increased environmental pollution. The high demand for housing in these areas often goes unmet, leading to housing shortages and higher housing costs. Number 1, Jeep is the most popular mode of transportation in the Philippines. Jeeps are the most popular mode of transportation in the Philippines. Jeeps are closely linked to the country's history and culture after World War II. The U.S. military left behind thousands of excess Jeeps. Resourceful Filipinos are transforming these vehicles into unique modes of transportation that can carry means of transportation. They are also cultural symbols of the Philippines. They are decorated with bright colors, humorous slogans, and images reflecting local culture. Jeeps are a source of pride for Filipinos that demonstrate their creativity and optimistic spirit. Traveling by Jeep is a great way for tourists to experience Filipino culture and immerse themselves in local life. Sitting on these colorful vehicles, tourists can see the bustling streets, chat with the driver, and learn more about daily life in the Philippines. Would you like to visit the Philippines and experience it yourself? What are your thoughts about the fate of poor people in this country?